A fresh political crisis is unfolding in Rivers State as the peace agreement between suspended Governor Siminalayi Fubara and the Federal Capital Territory FCT Minister NaijaNews Wike has collapsed. The tension grew after a group of women walked out of an empowerment event hosted by Nigeria's First Lady, Senator Oluremi Tinubu, on Friday, May 2, 2025. The group, called Rivers Women Unite for SIM (RWUS), wore shirts that supported both Mrs. Tinubu and Governor Fubara.
I greet you all.
Wike saw the women's walkout as an insult to the First Lady and, by extension, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. He called it a disrespect to the office of the President, saying, "You can't claim to want peace while sponsoring people to insult the President and his wife." Many Niger Delta leaders, including human rights activist Aniku Briggs and the President of the Ijaw National Congress, Professor Benjamin Okoba, disagreed with Wike. They said the women meant no harm and were being wrongly blamed for political reasons. The disagreement has sparked new fears about Fubara's future. Some had hoped President Bola Ahmed Tinubu would announce Fubara's return to office on May 29th, Nigeria's Democracy Day. Earlier, Fubara had visited Wike in Abuja along with other leaders trying to make peace, but that effort now seems to have failed, especially with talk of an emergency rule in the state. Many people in Rivers State believe that Governor Fubara deserves to return, especially if he has shown regret for any past mistakes. They argue that reinstating him on May 29, 2025 would give hope to the people of the state. The political drama in Rivers continues to unfold as Nigerians await President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's next move. What's your opinion regarding the ongoing political feud in Rivers State? Ensure you share your thoughts in the comment box section below. And please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.